Hello everyone! Now listen up, you intrepid explorers and sunseekers. Today we're diving into my top 10 tips, absolutely fabulous ways to save those pennies for your travels in 2025. Because, my friends, who wants to be stuck at home when there's a whole wide world out there just begging to be explored? Not us, sweetie, not us. So pour yourself a large one, get comfy, and let's get started on making those travel dreams a reality. First things first, we need a plan. And no, I don't mean a scribble on a napkin, unless it's a really chic napkin, of course. We're talking about a proper travel budget. Think of it as your passport to financial freedom, on your trip. Work out how much you can realistically save each month. Be honest with yourself. One less cocktail a week. Easily done. Now listen carefully, this is a good one. Set up an automatic transfer from your main account to a dedicated travel fund. Think of it as a direct debit, but for something fabulous. Choose an amount that you won't miss too much, even a $5 a week adds up. Before you know it, you'll have a nice little nest egg just begging to be spent on adventures. Now I know what you're thinking. Technology can be a frightful bore, but trust me on this one. Download some travel apps like Skyscanner or Hopper. They'll sniff out the best deals on flights and accommodation, leaving you free to plan the fun stuff, like what to wear on the plane. Don't worry, I'm not going to turn into some dull financial advisor, but a little planning goes a long way. Set yourself some mini saving challenges, maybe a no takeaway month or a charity shop chic challenge. The more creative, the better. And remember, every pound saved is a pound closer to paradise. Let's be honest, how many streaming services do you actually use? Do you really need that many magazines? Be ruthless. Cancel the ones you don't use and free up some serious cash for cocktails on the beach. Much more fun, much more fun. Flexibility is key here. Be open to traveling during off-season or shoulder season. Not only will you bag a bargain, but you'll also avoid the crowds. And who wants to be jostled by the masses when you could be sipping something bubbly in peace and quiet? Not me. Hotels are so last year. Why not try something a little different? Airbnbs, guest houses, even house sitting can save you a fortune. Plus, you get to experience a destination like a local. Just imagine the stories you'll have to tell. Now, I know what you're thinking. Public transport isn't exactly glamorous, but it's affordable and cheerful, and it's a great way to soak up the local atmosphere. Besides, who needs a taxi when you can hop on a rickshaw or a colourful local bus? Talk about an adventure. Eating out for every meal can really eat into your budget. And let's be honest, some of the best travel memories are made over a shared meal. So why not visit local markets, stock up on delicious goodies, and have yourself a little culinary adventure in your accommodation? Just don't forget the bubbly. This is the fun part. Create a vision board, make a playlist, whatever inspires you. Having a visual reminder of your travel goals will keep you motivated when the going gets tough. And trust me, the feeling of stepping off that plane and into your dream destination, priceless. There you have it, folks. 10 fantastic ways to save money for your travels in 2025. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll be on your way to your dream destination in no time. Safe travels. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.